A video of the Pixel Fold opening and closing was posted on Twitter over the weekend. Previous leaks of the renders were pretty accurate. The device will probably launch at a price of around $1,700. Google will hopefully make an announcement about the device at its upcoming I/O event. The video is available in the article. An appeals court has found that Apple's closed App Store and security restrictions don't violate antitrust law. Apple is still required to allow users to learn about alternate payment options. iOS developers are free to send customers to other places to make payments to avoid paying Apple a commission. Apple has recently taken steps to address mounting antitrust concerns, including introducing ways for reader apps to link to their own sites to bypass Apple's in-app payment system. The Hakuto R mission will attempt to land on the Moon as early as today at around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Time. The landing attempt will start from an altitude of about 100 kilometers above the lunar surface, where the spacecraft is currently in a circular orbit, and the process should take about an hour. The lander is carrying several payloads down to the surface. A link to the livestream for the event is available in the article. Rai is a tool that can manage Python installations, PyProject, TOML files, dependencies, virtual NVS, monorepos, and tools. Its virtual NVS are completely void of dependencies. Dependencies are managed in PyProject, TOML without exposing pip. Rai uses IndieGreg's Python builds instead of System Python. Slack's new platform for developers is now officially available. The next-generation API uses a modular architecture that makes it easy to create Slack integrations and automations. It will be free for everyone to use until October 31st. Advanced features will be subject to additional costs after October 31st. More details about the new API are available in the article. Bill Gates talked with Jesse Woolley Wilson, a leader in the field of education technology, during this year's ASU plus GSV Summit in San Diego. During the talk, they discussed the state of education technology, what the Bill and Amp. Melinda Gates Foundation is doing, and the impact AI will have in the months and years ahead. This article contains a transcript of the conversation. A video of the talk is also available. Public sector workers in Changshu, China, will be paid fully in digital yuan starting in May. This will be the biggest rollout of the ECNY so far. The city has 1.7 million residents. It has already been experimenting with the digital currency for some time. There is no timeline for a nationwide launch yet. Keeping their code closed resulted in a piling up of technical debt, making it more difficult to give customers what they wanted, so Amazon has started to open up some of its projects. The W3C spec for scoped CSS is mostly stable and there is a working prototype in Chrome. Almost everyone benefits from conferences in some way because of the connections that are made at these events. The UK government has pledged an initial £100 million to create an AI that makes the country globally competitive.